So after we finishing setting up the model in the software, we send that part into this printer, and as you can see, it's printing now. It takes about more than a little bit more than 3 hours to print, and for this part we are using ASA plastic, which is UV resistant material. So there's a variety of material available in the market you can use, like ABS, PC-ABS, and even PLA, and or rubber-like material. It depends on your application. In this case, we're printing a bearing and like our piece, a cube.
So you showed me two different kind of materials. So could you explain how you can use this with this machine?
So for this one, it's called ASA plastic. Basically, it's come with a filament spool. Usually, it's about 60 cubic inches of material. It can put inside this cabinet here.
Okay.
So it has a built-in chip inside the filament spool. So once you insert that, the machine will recognize what material and how much material it has. So ASA is a very common material to use in the printer, just like ABS. And then it has a UV resistant property. If we print this using ASA plastic, it means it already has the potential to be used immediately in the application.
How about this?
So this one is a support material. Almost all 3D printer has support material. They usually is very soft material. The purpose of this material is to provide support when we print a part that has a floating platform that needs to be supported. This material will come in handy to fill all those gaps. And then after we print the part, all those support material needs to be taken apart or melt away. So this material will melt in the sodium hydroxide tank.
So here is a two different material. Can you apply different color with this material?
Yes. So support material usually just come with one color. Usually it's white, because they are not important.
Yeah.
But for the actual part material, for this, for example, is ASA, is green. It also has many options like blue, red, yellow, and gray, black. Usually it comes with many different colors, as long as they are available on the market.